So I'm with Keith on one of these where the heat and the humidity don't really bother me so long as I'm able to be at the beach. I can imagine that if you've got to work outside today, like on a construction site or maybe on the waterfront, you know, where you maybe something physical, being on this heat and humidity got to be tough.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think especially like that 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. time frame when the sun's just beating right down.
I mean, even our photographers, right? Like we get to shoot all these beautiful pictures, but sometimes we're out in the middle of the day.
Absolutely, yeah. Certainly a great point, because for people on vacation or with the ability to find a place to stay cool, it's probably enjoyable, but for a lot of people, it's not. And we've got one more day of it coming tomorrow. Here's a look at the high temperatures today. 92 in Freiburg. That is, I believe, the 8th 90-degree day of the year so far in Freiburg, leading the pack by far. Bangor 89, and I believe there have only been 2 90-degree days in Bangor so far this year. 87 there right now. Along the coastline, the wind's coming in off the ocean, but it's not really a cooling sea breeze. If anything, it's a muggy one. 81 in Rockland and 81 in Portland, 85 right now in Lewiston. Dew points are up as high as 74 in Sanford. That's more representative of a tropical or Florida-like air mass. Satellite radar fairly clean. What you don't see, though, is the haze that's been out there, especially in northern Maine, and that'll be the case again tomorrow. So overnight tonight, inland it's mostly clear. It's going to be a mild and muggy night. Along the coastline, especially east of Casco Bay, there will be some areas of fog that form. So by tomorrow morning, patchy fog in spots along the coast. But that should retreat again tomorrow, and it's essentially a repeat of today. Hazy, hot, and humid. Along the coastline, again, there's a southerly wind, so late in the day it won't be quite as hot, but it will be very muggy along the coast tomorrow. A couple of degrees higher tomorrow, low 90s inland, 80s for most of us along the coastline tomorrow. Tomorrow night, that southerly wind really freshens up, and it's going to be a really humid night tomorrow night into Thursday morning. In fact, some places Thursday morning don't drop much below 70. We'll wake up to more clouds on Thursday and likely some fog that sticks around for a while over eastern Maine, and there is a chance for showers and thunderstorms on Thursday. But like so many times this summer, it looks like a lot of these storms will be farther north and west. I've heard from a lot of you on parts of the mid-coast and down east that are hoping for some rain. I just don't think you'll get much of it on Thursday. It will be rather cloudy and it will be muggy, though. It's just that the higher chance for showers and storms on Thursday will be over the foothills, mountains, and northern Maine. As you head farther east in the state, that chance will drop. You might get some showers, but I don't think there will be any strong storms on Thursday that make it into eastern Maine. This is all with a front that's going to break the humidity, and once it moves out, we are in for a good stretch of weather Friday, Saturday. Look very comfortable with less humid air moving in. Marine forecast for tomorrow sees around 1 to 3 feet with a southerly wind 5 to 10 knots. So rinse, wash, repeat. That's what you get tomorrow. Hazy, hot and humid, low 90s, inland 80s along the coastline. A very humid day on Thursday, more clouds, temperatures get into the 80s, but the highest chance for showers and storms probably in the foothills, mountains, and northern Maine. Some of them may make it into southern Maine, but I think that's where the most rain will be. Less humid for Friday and Saturday. There's a chance for showers Sunday afternoon. But Chris, heading into next week, Monday, Tuesday, I think the humidity stays in check, so we'll get a break from the mugginess for a while.
And even with a little bit of it, no complaints, at least from this side of the aisle. All right.
Good attitude.
Thanks, Ryan.
Yeah.